I don't even, I don't.
Under 4 pounds in a pack on my back, 6 inches wide and 39 long, folds down to 20 right on the track. Durable aluminum built for the strong. From the high banks down to the creekside sand, portable power in the palm of your hand. With the dual mini dread stream mat flow, aggressive vortex fine gold show. High yield recovery running through the sluice, processing the black sand, turning it loose, catching every grain, yeah, it's all lose a bit. 2 stages of matting for the serious recovery. Simple assembly, tools in the sack. Grab your scoop, son, and don't look back. Dream Mat Magic, yeah, you're doing it right.